meghalayapost.news.
Menteri Rangba Barim Kejela Badiru Nongilam ke TMC Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong bakajingmi kilangut ke MLA ke Kongres menet penyesok syak ke parti NPP kedena kadau bakadan ke Jingiashrut Hapoh ke parti kebala pelong i kilangut ke MLA Kongres menet ban penyesok no syak ke parti NPP keman pen kemau kilangut ke MLA ke Kongres ki belalai ban penyesok syak ke NPP ki kentup yu MLA ke Seng Dr. Celestin Lingdo u MLA ke Mahudi ba Charles Marngar bat u MLA ke Nongsen ba Gabriel Walang halor ke jinglong jingban kesan perkhat jangka kam san hima sima ha kejela Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong bakindo ki parti gede basngau thu kumno ban penbit penbiang yala ki MLA bat bandon ke jingas thu jingmot khnang bakum kani ke jingmi nilai penyaso syakiwe ki parti kanamja ke bala ru ban kata ya kejela bat ya ki pajba.
I have full trust and confidence on my members. I think we have demonstrated that earlier also in the past. You see, you have to understand another angle. Now, well, with no intent to offend anybody, but it is also important for every party to ensure that their members stay, as committed members of the party with a collective resolve to fulfill the vested responsibilities. Now, unfortunately, what has happened, probably, it can be attributed to the party itself also. There must have been some Cold War going on for a reasonable period of time, resulting in this showdown. So there may be many factors that you'll have to find out, and then it is not my job to ask the Congress leadership, but I have every reason to believe, because I know all of them. They were part and parcel of my party when I was in the Grand Old Party prior to merging with TMC. Now please understand here the different thing. Pre-2023, when we marched into 2021, we have marched to a new political party with an intent to give an alternative political platform, not with an intent to be in power prior to election, so that we can go to the people, provide this alternative political platform. So that is the difference.
meghalayapost.news.